Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a plan with me in my Plum paper vertical hourly in the size 7x9. I am actually really loving this planner, and I do like the paper of the Life Planner a little bit better, but this is still amazing. It's just smooth, and I just wanted to show you how I've been planning. So this will be for the week of July 13th through the 19th. And what I did was I just printed out some stickers that I made, and also I'm using some Planner Kate stickers. And yeah, I'm just kind of doing like, I saw this pattern and I kind of wanted to play off of this pattern, so it's like pinks, yellows, blues, purples, just pastel-y, pretty light, airy, fun colors, and I wanted to show you how I've been planning in my Plum paper. Okay, so first I always just start with the dates, and I just cover the dates over here up just because I don't really care for the colors too much, or I don't really want, you know, it doesn't really match my theme. You could white it out as well, but I don't really care too much. So I've noticed, like with the Planner Kate stickers, I think it doesn't fit the size as well, so that's why I just went ahead and made my own for now. I'm actually thinking about starting an Etsy, well, I have an Etsy store, I just gotta fix that dimension, but yes, I really like that. So I'm thinking about starting an Etsy store for stickers, maybe paintings in the future, but yeah, I don't know. If you guys interested, I could put a link down below. And then what I did was I made some of these like thinner washies, and I'm just gonna put that to cover up the grays over here. I just have to resize this page, I believe, because I think the other side is okay on sizing, but this one seems a little bit, oh, I got my dog hair in it. This one seems a little bit long. So what I've been doing for this planner is I like to put my this week to-dos here, and I just cover this up. I kind of just leave that. I don't really care too much. And so I just write this week there. And then over here I made a box to just match with the washi part. So put that over here. Okay. Then what I do is I always put stickers for my work time, and then I'm using a daily planner to just like list out actually what I'm doing for working, because I work from home anyways. So I use the hourlies just to, you know, be more specific, but in here I just say like work. So I'm gonna do that for Monday through Friday. I've definitely been struggling, I think like a lot of people in the planner community. I tried the Moxie Life, and I honestly, I really like the paper, and I like the planner itself. I just can't do the coil. I saw some people recoil theirs with like this kind of coil, and that's very tempting. But the reason why I'm so drawn to the Plum paper, even other than the Life Planner, I think the reason why I would go back to Life Planner if I do would just be because of the paper, which I didn't think I love the paper that much, but now that I don't use it, I kind of miss the paper. So the thing that draws me so much to the Plum paper is I have, here I could show you an empty one. I added the shopping list for each month and a budget planner for each month, and also in the back I have a budget and meal section and then a ton of note paper. So it's kind of nice just to have all my like home life in one planner instead of going through, like, you know, when I used to use the life planner, I would have the meal planner separately and the budget planner separately, or I wouldn't always do the budget because I would do it on Excel anyways, or Google Sheets stuff. So I wouldn't always touch it just because it's not here, like physically in the same book. So yeah, I definitely see a benefit of having it all together. And then I also print these like really thin washi tapes because I kind of, for the work, I just like to say, okay, so I work from 8 to about 3, and then I just cut that off there. So I do that for every single day. Problem is I just put these stick-on nails, so now it's so hard for me to do these things. Okay, just a little bit off. Alright, so now I got that part done. I like to do my dinners, so I'll do that in pink. So we do eat dinner pretty early, and then we just like have a later snack at night. It's just how we roll. They always make fun of us because they say we're like really old, you know, like my grandparents even ate later than us. The only thing also that I wish was in this planner was I wish it was a little bit later, and instead of this area, I wish it was like, or instead of 7, I wish it was like, I don't know. I just wish there was a little bit more room or something. Just because 7 o'clock's pretty early. So my nighttime stuff, like if I work out later at night instead of in the morning, I'll just put it down here. And like if I don't know, anything that I have to do later at night, I'll just put in those to-do boxes down below. And we haven't figured out what we're gonna do yet, so I'm gonna just leave that for now. And on Sundays, I always do just a budget check, just to like input anything I've spent for the week. And then I just use a Planner Kate sticker that says budget. Also, I just had coffee, so I'm a little shaky. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then I just made some work stickers, so I added that to the yellow box, which I really need to, like, these nails are not helping me today. So I just add those. And if I like have to run errands or something between this time, like lunchtime or something, I'll just put whatever I have to do. The dinners, I just write it in here, so I'll just go in. We usually meal plan on Thursdays, but we just didn't get to it, so probably tonight we'll talk it over and see what we want to make. And then I'm just using these Planner Kate workout stickers. And we work out, well, 6 days a week. So I just put it down here. And don't really have anything else going on. Let's see. One more thing is on Wednesdays, Peter has a game night with his friends, so we just have to be back. Not that we're going anywhere, really. But I just write that in so I know. And then, let's see, what else? I book in studio time as well. So I kind of am just using the blue for anything I have to remember to do, like majorly. So we actually converted my shed in the backyard to an art studio. I'm so in love with it. I'll have to do, what do you call it? Tour of it soon. Probably just want to add a couple more things and then I can do the tour. So I'll book in my studio time, even though it's just like not really booking in, but just making sure I make time for the studio. So I do that 3 times a week. I mean, I pretty much go in there every day, but I want to make sure I do it 3 times a week at least. Okay, so that is all. The last thing I do is I check, which I have to, is I check games. Okay, so first I gotta write your studio. I can never write this week. Okay, so now I just gotta fill in my games. Tottenham versus Newcastle, and Liverpool versus Arsenal. Oy. Okay, and then that's Wednesday. Tuesday, no one I'm watching. And Monday, no one I'm watching. Okay, so that's really all for the games. Yeah, if you're not a football, soccer person, then you can skip this part. Okay. Alright, so that is all I do because I just like to keep track of when I have to watch games. Oh, also I gotta put in the dates. So it's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19. Okay. Oh, one more thing. Thursdays I do pamper night, so. If you guys enjoyed, definitely let me know. Are you guys using the Plum paper? How do you like it? What size are you using? What type are you using? Because they have so many different options. It was, I couldn't believe how many options they had. It was crazy. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!